Hey man, I know that sinking feeling. One day she's all over you, responding fast, making plans, excited to talk. And then, boom, she starts pulling away. Her texts get dry, she's suddenly busy, the energy shifts, and now you're stuck wondering, what did I do wrong? How do I fix this? Most guys panic. They start texting more, calling more, trying to fix the problem. But here's the harsh truth. The more you chase, the further she'll run. If she's pulling away, the absolute worst thing you can do is cling tighter. You need to flip the script, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. 1. Stop chasing. Let her feel your absence. Listen, man, attraction is like a rubber band. The more you pull toward her, the more she'll pull away. But if you let go, if you stop chasing, she has to come back toward you to close the gap. Women don't lose interest out of nowhere. It usually happens when she feels too certain about your attention. She senses you're more invested than she is. She gets too comfortable knowing you'll always be there. The solution? Stop giving her that certainty. Instead of texting first, fall back. Instead of begging for her time, get busy with your own life. Let her feel what life is like without your attention. And trust me, that silence will be deafening. 2. Trigger. Her fear of losing you. Women are emotional creatures. They don't always realize what they had until it's slipping away. When you stop reaching out, you trigger uncertainty in her mind. She starts wondering, why isn't he texting me? Is he losing interest? Did he meet someone else? And suddenly, the power dynamic shifts. She was the one pulling away, but now she's the one thinking about you. This is why high-value men never chase. They understand that attraction thrives on uncertainty. If she doesn't feel like she could lose you, she won't appreciate you. 3. Show her you have options. Nothing makes a woman reevaluate her feelings faster than seeing you unbothered and thriving. If she pulled away thinking she could put you on hold, show her she was wrong. Start posting about your life, having fun, doing exciting things, spending time with people who make you happy. If she texts, don't rush to reply. Make her wait. Let her feel what it's like when you're not instantly available. If she asks to see you, don't be too eager. Let her wonder if you're even interested anymore. When she sees that you're completely fine without her, her whole mindset shifts. Now you're the prize, and she's the one trying to win you back. 4. Don't fall for the fake check-in. Here's where a lot of guys mess up. She starts feeling your absence, so she sends a small, meaningless text. Hey, how have you been? Hope you're doing well. I saw something that reminded me of you. And what do most guys do? They jump on it like it's a lifeline, responding instantly, thinking, she misses me. But here's the reality. This isn't her coming back. This is her checking to see if she still has control over you. The right move? Stay cool. Keep it short. If you respond, be polite but indifferent. Make her feel that she has to put in effort to win your attention again. 5. Let her earn you back. If she genuinely wants to come back, she will make it obvious. She'll start texting more. She'll try to see you. She'll put in effort. And that's when you take your time. Most guys roll out the red carpet the moment she shows interest again. But a high-value man, he makes her prove herself first. She cancels plans, you don't reschedule. She plays games, you walk away again. She wants back in, she has to meet your standards, because at the end of the day, you're not an option. You're not someone she can pick up and drop whenever she feels like it. If she wants you back, she needs to come back correctly. Final thoughts. She pulled away? Let her go. Don't chase, don't beg, just step back, focus on yourself, and let her feel your absence. Because when a woman realizes a high-value man is slipping through her fingers, she'll do everything to get him back. And if she doesn't, then she was never the right one to begin with. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe for more no BS, high-value dating advice. Stay strong, brother. I'll see you in the next one.